Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Jaya Karli Vlog. Today I am going to share with you my experience of taking vaccination. Yes, I am talking about COVID vaccination. I took Covishield. You can take anyone among it. Covishield, Covaxin, Sputnik or Pfizer, etc. All are safe. I got Covishield, so I took it. Once you are confirmed with the slot of your vaccination, you should take some precautions. So I am going to share with you all what kind of precautions I took on the day of vaccination. I mean, once you are confirmed with the slot, before that day you should take proper sleep. Yes, you should take enough sleep. And on the day of vaccination, before going to the center, you should have enough food. You should drink water as much as you can and go to the center, get your first jab of vaccination. So after your first dose of vaccination, you might feel some pain over here, the place where you took the vaccination. So nothing to worry, it's natural. Then directly go to the home. I mean, do not wander here and there, do not wander in the sunlight. Go to the home, take proper rest, and during your rest time, just keep drinking water because liquid is very necessary. You feel some dryness in your throat and in your mouth, so liquid is necessary. Keep drinking water. And you can also prefer some fruit juices. I took fruit juice. You can also go for the fruit juices. And those who are non-vegetarian, you can prefer chicken soup. So it's healthy, so you can go for that as well. And after some time you might feel little bit headache, and also there might be some body pains. I had experienced headache and some body pains. So I felt that I'm not going to bear it, so I took paracetamol tablet. You can get tablets on the center as well, but if you don't get the tablets on the center, you can get it from any medical store. And paracetamol is very safe. So in the evening, no, after my dinner, I took the paracetamol tablet, first paracetamol tablet, and I slept. So I was feeling well, but on the next day, early in the morning, again there were some pain. So again after the breakfast, I took another paracetamol tablet. I had asked doctor, so he has advised me that it is safe to have three paracetamol tablet, but I took two paracetamol tablets. So it is better, if you are not able to bear the pain, it is better to take paracetamol tablet. It is safe, no need to worry at all. And so on the second day in the evening, I was normal, I was okay, totally okay. So you also feel the same, you can go for the paracetamol tablet or tablets given by the center. Okay. And the next dose, you should take as per the given time period or as per the advice. So I took second dose today only, in the morning, but till now I am not feeling any pain. So you can, but yet yes, you can follow the same precautions as you have followed or you are going to follow as I have told you. Okay. So just need not to worry, vaccine is safe. Just do not get confused about what people are saying. It is safe. Go and get vaccinated soon, and also inform your relatives, your acquaintance people to take the vaccine, so that we might avoid the third wave. I am not sure whether it will come or not, but at least we will be safe, our family will be safe. So vaccination is safe. Go and get it soon. Thank you. And yes, do not forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.